I have a boner. I have a boner. I have a boner.
I'm with my kid. Going to Disney. Hi, Disney.
Yo, come check out this monkey over here, bro.
Let me show you how to do it.
Bro, you gotta get rid of it.
But the thing is, I don't want to get dirty. I got dirt.
Damn!
Show him how a real monkey does.
Show him how what?
How a real monkey does.
Greenland.
Oh, time to get out the way.
Josh, get out the way. Get out.
Should've left you unread when you wanted my attention. Boy, you was really cool, I thought I knew how you was feeling. No cap, you the reason why I don't trust bitches. I'm up dog shit, I can't be in my feelings. I'm rich without you, it don't make me no difference.
Look at that, literally shaking it, bro.
They're just looking at me.
Fast motion. So tired. What a long road trip, bro.
We made it.
We missed the exit so many times. How you feeling?
Oh, like I nutted everywhere.
I hate that feeling, bro.
I got fucked by 5 black guys.
What?
What?
Rodolfo, catch me.
What you doing there, man?
Today we're here. We're gonna be testing out the bike.
Okay.
Well,
There's remotes on it?
Yeah, bro.
Yo, I ain't never seen this type of technology.
Now I know not to like do rated R shit in the car type shit.
Alright,
This man,
Listen.
gentleman over here.
let's ask this guy right here.
How did the hurricane affect you and your family today?
Today.
Yesterday.
Monday.
Hurricane
You know what I fucking mean?
Let me show you.
What is this?
That was pretty bad.
Damn.
All right, we're just gonna
And what you
answer.
answer?
I'm gonna answer the clips right here.
That was a smart move.
It's literally a piece of the pier. Man, we got fogged.
Wait. That was me driving. It's crazy.
Do you need medical assistance?
So what if I do?
Anyways, let's get back to the story.
Alright, so back to the story. Naples Pier is destroyed.
Literally.
Let's show them.
When you guys left, you to my ear like this. I kind of like that.
Look at this gibbet that I got. You like my gibbet?
Oh shit! Don't go.
Do you know where this guy was? He's at the taco place, of course.
Taco. Bro, I was at the gas station.
No, you went to the taco place just because it was 25% off.
A bag in a bag. What you cop?
Some panties.
Oh.
Yo, ever heard of Charco, homies? The one and only website where you can watch beans, dark beans, and even blacker beans. Click here for more videos.
Okay, Chris, okay. Dancing on them bitches.